In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bills in QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you're on your main dashboard or homepage. This is where you can access the tools you need to manage transactions, expenses, and vendor payments. Paying bills correctly in QuickBooks is important because it helps keep your accounts payable accurate and ensures your records match the money leaving your business account. Once you're inside QuickBooks, go to the Create button. This is the shortcut menu used to enter new transactions and complete common tasks quickly. Click Create, and from the list of available options, choose Pay Bills. This will open the bill payment screen where you can review any outstanding bills that have already been entered into QuickBooks. On the Pay Bills page, start by choosing the payment account. Use the payment account drop-down menu to select the account you'll be using for the payment. This could be a checking account, a savings account, or even a credit card account depending on how you plan to pay. It's important to choose the correct account here so your books reflect where the payment is actually coming from. Next, enter the payment date. This should match the date the money will leave your account. Using the correct payment date helps keep your cash flow records accurate and makes bank reconciliation much easier later on. After that, review the list of open bills shown on the screen. Check the boxes next to the bills you want to pay. You can select one bill or multiple bills at the same time depending on what you're paying today. As you select them, QuickBooks will calculate the total payment amount for you. If you don't want to pay a bill in full, you can make a partial payment instead. To do that, click into the amount column for the specific bill and type in the amount you want to pay. This is helpful if you're making installment payments or only covering part of the balance for now. Just be sure the amount entered matches what you intend to pay, since the remaining balance will stay open in QuickBooks. Once everything looks correct, finish by selecting Save or Save and close to Record the transaction. Saving will post the payment to your records and update the status of the bill accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a bill payment in QuickBooks Online. As a final tip, always take a quick moment to review the payment account, date, and amount before saving so your bookkeeping stays clean and accurate.